Hello, Michael Hribar is my name and I'm working as product manager for Power Quality portfolio in Metrel. Today we present you the MI2992 new Metrel Power Quality Analyzer, which is delivered in IP67 waterproof case. We deliver this product in 3 different sets. The first set is advanced set, so-called AD set, which include current clamps 1502 with tiny measurement sensor. The second set is U set, which include flex clamps A1227 with a little bit bigger measurement sensor. And the last set is standard set, which does not include any clamps. Let's check what is included in AD set. First, check the documentation which is attached with the instrument. Dear customer, single leaflet, when you can find different QR codes to download the data and software from the documentation center. Next one is calibration certificate according class A for the instrument. The third one is paper which describe all equipment which is included with the instrument. And power quality analyzing and troubleshooting procedure, so-called quick guide, which will drive you through the instrument setting. To check what is inside the instrument, so the first one is MI2992 itself. Then we have 4 different current clamps, A1502 for AD set. Additionally, temperature sensor for measuring the temperature during the measurement, Ethernet patch cable, and box with different accessories like cables, crocodiles, and magnet tips, and so on. Let's check the current clamps first. So flex clamps has very easy locking and unlocking mechanism, and our flex clamps has 3 different ranges. For example, this clamps 1502 has 30, 300 and 3000 amp. And MI2992 can select automatical range by itself according to the current consumption. There is special current sensor, current terminal, and you have 4 current terminals which are color coded. Additionally, you have marking rings which could be attached directly to the current clamps, and so you can easily differ between which current clamp is related to channel 1, 2 or 3. Into current input you can also attach temperature sensor in case that you need, for example, to measure the temperature of transformer during the recording. Let's check what kind of voltage test lead we are delivering with the set. So inside this huge pack there is a lot of different accessories. So we have 5 crocodiles for voltage input. Then we have a special hook when you can attach all test leads together, so to have good orientation in the box. Then we have 5 voltage test leads which intended for connecting the voltage phase 1 to 3 neutral and ground. It's color coded, so gray should go to the gray, brown to the brown, and so on. To attach the voltage to the distribution board or transformer station, so we have crocodiles, so you can directly attach to the nut. Additionally, we have also 5 magnetic test tip, which are very useful when you need to connect it to, for example, a distribution board, to RCD or to fuse, when there is no place to connect crocodile. So this magnetic test tip. So additionally, we have power supply cable. MI2992 has internal power supply, so you can wide range power supply, so you can directly connect it through the outlet. Or in case to connect to the transformer station, you have a special power supply cable. Then you can supply the voltage between phase and neutral, or face to face. Wide range is multi-range, so you can supply it from 90 up to 590 volts. Additionally, there is USB-C cable and a smart pen for attaching with the touch screen on the instrument itself. MI2992 has excellent communication possibilities. It includes Wi-Fi and Bluetooth interface inside, and USB-C to download the data directly to PC. And USB-C is not intended to be charged the internal battery, which is Li-ion battery inside. Additionally, we have internal 6 GB of SD card internally, but we can also attach external SD card up to 128 GB. Then we have also USB 2.0 port, which is used for copying the data from internal SD card to USB key, or through the external SD card to USB key. Then we have Ethernet port, which is for remote connecting to the instrument via VNC or to via software MP Vision. So you can connect it directly to LAN interface if you have in your testing place LAN network, or you can connect to external modem for downloading the data, or to direct connect to the instrument via VNC. There is also PS2 port for connecting GPS receiver, which is used for synchronization of the actual time in the instrument, and also getting the GPS location of the measurement place. So all data are attached and saved safely inside the instrument. MI2992 has the biggest LCD in the class, 10.1 inch. LCD is touch display, so you can easily select function that you want. So this is basically what is included in the set. And now let's go to the measurement place and connect MI2992 in the field.